everybody, I am Anna from craftmeacard and I love crafting for the crafter, and that is you. Today I have something special to share with you guys. I went ahead and I ordered this mega mystery bundle from Tonic Studios. And I want to share with you guys what can come in a box that is a mystery bundle. Now this whole box was $50. Then you had to pay shipping, so you end up paying about $57, maybe including the shipping and everything. But it's supposed to be a value of $250 or more dollars. So I went ahead and I opened it. Let me share with you guys what I got. I felt very excited in ordering from them because I hardly have anything that is Tonic Studios. I have Nuvo drops and I think that's it. So let's see here. So here I see a pen. It looks like a pen. And it is a pen. Nice. Nice. It's nice and heavy. So this is nice. I think this was more like a gift. So we have that. Then we have cutting tool set. I have this one from Tim Holtz, but I don't know what this is. And this is for cutting fibers, small ribbons, and other textile embellishments. Nice. Has a little cord to hang around your neck, I guess. Or it is. So yes, that's to distress, and then it cuts cords and small ribbons. All right, I'm excited to try that. Do not have that. Oh, what's this? So this is a blending brush, blender brush. Oval tipped. Do not have this. Wait, well, kind of. I don't have this, huh? I have my my barber brush, but this is a lot softer. This is a lot stiffer, absolutely. So yeah, I don't have something like this. I'm excited. This is to blend, and it's a pack of 2. So nicey-wicey. Then we have this that is masking fluid. Temporary covers detailed areas. That's fun. I like this. I'm excited to use this. See here? Okay, it has a nice little fine tip for you to mask areas. All right. Excited to use that. Do not have that. Then we have adhesive tape runner. So we have 2 sizes, 5mm and 8mm. All right, adhesive tape. Sounds good. Then we have Nuvo Shimmer powder. Okay, so this is shimmer powder. Atlantis Burst. So it's the kind that you sprinkle on. And then there's Crystal Nuvo drops. Okay, so this one is Sweet Lilac. I do not have this one. This is beautiful. Very pretty color. Very sweet. Oops. And what is this? Precision Rotary Cutter. I have to see how I can use this. I don't know what this is for. It's a cutter, obviously, but this is a rotary cutter. All right, so something new to find out how to play with. Don't have that. Scissors, yay, yay. I always like scissors. Ooh, non-stick precision. Curious. That's these. Well, actually, here, let me share with you. So let's see here. So it has a little cover. They're not that light. They're a good weight. Okay, that's a little cover. So, they're very nice. They're precision. Have a really nice thin tip. All right. Thank you. Then there's this one. This is Golden Sparkle. This is also shimmer powder. Golden Sparkle. So that's the different colors that it can give. All right. Next, this is more Nuvo drops. And this one is buttermilk. This one I do have in my stash. But it's always nice to have extras. Then we have, what is this? Oh, sequins. Pure Sheen sequins. I like sequins. I use them quite a bit. These are my paper scissors. All right. Very nice, very nice. I like the container. We have more Jingle Bells is this collection of sequins. Nice. These are, this size is smaller than this one. No, same size. So we have those. All right. Ooh, what's this? And we have a large stamp block. Yay! Okay, then we have, ooh, nice. Glitter accents. Nice. All right, then we have this embellishment mousse. Pretty. Polar Wind. I've never used. I don't know how to use. I will learn and I will share with you how to use this. And it's different colors. Oh my gosh, this purple is beautiful. Has like an iridescent feel to it. This one's pretty too. And this is Cosmic Brown. Beautiful colors. And one more here. And this one is Toasted Almond. It's almost white. It's like a pearly. Beautiful colors. I'm excited to learn how to use these. Then we have, ooh, what's this? Dual tip alcohol marker pens. All right. Awesome. Nice. And then these are more alcohol markers. I'm excited to play with these. Browns and grays. Then I see here Aquaflow brush tip watercolor pens. Ooh. Pretty colors. Excited to learn how these work. Oh, yes. Yes, metal dies. Thank you so much. Enchanted Forest, and contains 4 dies, and it gives that forest look. Awesome. Excited to play with this. Stamps. Perfect Petunia stamp set. Love it. Ooh, samples of how you could use it. Very good. Very nice. Let's see here. Ooh, love. Mixed card pack. And this is Craft Perfect. Pearlescent. Ooh, nice. Let me see. I'm curious here. Let's see how these look. Ooh, they're embossed. They're embossed. Nice. Nice. Pretty. Lovely. Nice. This is called Tropical Paradise. Then we have some watercolor card. Perfect. A6 size. Oh, look at this. It's a keychain. Nuvo crystal drops. That's cute. It's my favorite color too. Very nice. Then we have this. That is falling glitter. Oh my gosh. Handcrafted cotton papers. 5 sheets. How fun. This is embossed. Embossed paper. Wow, this is gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's embossed. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has quite a lot of dimension. It's a beautiful color. Beautiful purple color. And, ooh, yes. Here's another one. Another pack. And this one's awesome. Looks like leather. Very pretty. Oh, wow. And this one's beautiful. This is Sage Roses. It has beautiful roses on there. Ah, it's the end of the box. So anyways, wanted to share with you guys, if you guys are interested in ordering one of these boxes, this is kind of sort of what comes in one of these boxes. All the different products and things that you can play with. I am quite content with everything because I don't have a lot of this stuff, so that's why I wanted to order from Tonic Studios. But anyways, this is what I got, and I am very, very pleased, I gotta say. So, and I think it was very worth it. I mean, definitely this is absolutely more than $50 that I got here. So anyways, thank you so very much. I hope you are inspired. I hope you create. I hope you are happy. See you next time. Bye-bye. So this is a blending butt. So this, let's see. Oh, the gem fell off. Oops. Let's see, precision. Oops. Oh no. Oh no. Well, they're not for plastic.